Welcome to today's vlog. This week's vlog. That's the thing. People have been asking how I was able to get my Brompton, because they are quite expensive, I'd be honest. Probably ranges from £1,000. I think the electric ones are about £2,000, more than £2,000. You have a few options that you could go through. One obviously is cash. If you have saved up for it, you could go with credit card. A lot of cycling companies take credit cards now. That's another one. I don't know, it depends on which country you're from. Another option is eBay. Just be careful with scams and all that. You can definitely get like older versions from eBay, but they're still quite pricey, so I'd rather go for brand new. Also, you could ask for the serial numbers, because they have serial numbers on the frame, and you could check it on Brompton's website if it's stolen or not, or you know, just be careful. Yeah, eBay also offers PayPal credit. It depends on, I think, your credit score, if you could get enough to buy one. It's not bad getting a second hand, but it's just if you're new into cycling, you don't have much idea of what you're getting or what things you might need to fix if you get a second hand bike, then I'd rather go for a brand new one. The other option that you could do is cycling companies do offer finance. Some of them have 0% finance for like a year. But obviously you'd pay a lot every month, but there are other payment options. I think this is also subject to your credit score, but there is a really good option, which is if you're working, you could ask your employer if they do cycle scheme. If you're in the UK, a scheme that you could get a bike with a really good discount, because you're not gonna pay for the VAT, which is about £100–200, but obviously you'd be stuck with your company in an agreement that you're gonna pay for it in a year or 2 years. What happens with that is that it's taken from your gross income monthly, so you don't have to pay for tax for the bike, and by the end of the scheme you have to pay for a fee. I'm not quite sure how much. Through the cycle scheme you could get like clothing and whatever backpack or bags that you need for commuting, but some cycle companies don't take it for Brompton. They don't take a lot of income from Brompton bikes because they're quite expensive. That's what I've heard, so good luck with that. You could just contact them, phone them, email them. Most local shops and cycling companies actually reply within a day or two. Yeah, it's just really hard to get hold of like brand new Bromptons at the moment because the demand's really high due to the pandemic. I think I was able to cover most of like how you could get yourself a brand new bike. Obviously this is not just limited to Brompton bikes. You could use this for gravel bike, a road bike or mountain bike. I think I'm paying £35 a month, but that's how much I would pay for 2-week bus pass, so it's definitely worth it. This will definitely save me time, save me money. Hopefully it answers your question. If you have anything else, please put it in the comment below. I'll try and answer as much as I know about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you on the next video. Cheers.